Welcome to the course of Computer Basics 2020. My name is Samir Imtiaz. Here you can see my picture. I will be an instructor throughout the course. This course is designed for everyone. This course will cover basic hardware, software, privacy, security, backup guide, file recovery, and troubleshooting tips for a computer running on Windows 10. At the end, I will provide some useful free softwares added from my personal experience. Those can be used professionally and commercially with a learning guide which will help you to master any skill. That's a bonus for you. More contents will be continuously added over time. Every question is answered by me in the question answer section. The course is designed for 100% satisfaction. 30 days money back guarantee is provided for this course. Let's see what will you learn after completing this course. Section 1 contains course curriculum and basic instruction to enable subtitle, asking questions, and download certificate. Section 2 has PDF file with a complete guideline for diskless Windows 10 setup on your computer. In Section 3, Computer Basic Hardware, we will learn about basic computer hardware, which will be useful to understand how a computer works, their components, their hardware performance differentiator, basic theoretical knowledge to assemble a computer. Some quizzes are given to solidify your knowledge and let you understand how to use your knowledge properly. In Section 4, Basic Windows Setup, I will show you the simplest and the easiest method to automatically install and update your drivers. I will show how to set up password for your computer and some important settings that you should know. In Section 5, I will show you the most effective method to make your slower computer faster in the easiest way. In Section 6, Backup and Security section, you will learn to store your memories by saving unlimited photos and important data over the cloud, which is completely free. We will go through Microsoft provided built-in antivirus settings to secure your computer. Section 7 is about data recovery, which will help you to recover accidentally deleted data. You can recover as many data as you want in free. Section 8 will help you to troubleshoot and solve your computer issues all by yourself. There are so many problems that can happen with your computer. You can remember every solution at once. So, this section will give you a reliable guide on how to search and solve your computer issue very quickly without anyone's help. Section 9 has bonus materials. Almost every lecture has some additional resources to learn more about any topic. You can read them to solidify your knowledge. After completing the entire course, you will get a certificate, which will help you to build your resume apart. So, what are you waiting for? Here, you can learn so much in the shortest time and the easiest way. So, enroll now.